Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see YouTube Shorts tags. Want to see tags used in YouTube Shorts videos to get more views? In this video, I'll show you how to check hidden tags on YouTube Shorts. So just follow these few simple steps. The first step is to open YouTube Shorts video. And to do that, just go to your YouTube app. Let's see here. Let's find the YouTube app. And then we go to the shorts section by clicking on shorts in the bottom right here. And after we find the shorts we want to see the tags in, tap the share button and copy link. The second step is to use a tag extractor website, and to do that just open your web browser. Let's go to our web browser right here. Go to Chrome and let's search for rapid tags right here. Let's click on it, next to website, and here we're gonna paste the YouTube short link in the search box. Let's find the search box. No, I don't see here. Let's see another website. I can't find the. Let's see here. This is another website. Let's see. Or I'm just gonna search for. Anyway, once you find, use the rapidtags.io, and after that paste the YouTube Shorts link in the search box. After that, click generate tags and see all the hidden tags used in the video. The third step is to check tags using browser inspect tools. This method can only be applied in desktop method. So to do that, just open YouTube Shorts by opening your web browser and then go into YouTube. And then clicking on the shorts sections and choose the YouTube shorts you want to view the tags on. After that, right click on the page and select view page source. And after that, press Ctrl+F or Command plus F for Mac users and search for keywords. And you'll see a list of tags used by the creator. As for the fourth and final step, find trending tags with TubeBuddy and install the TubeBuddy Chrome extension just by searching for it. Search for TubeBuddy, as you can see here, and you'll download the Chrome extension, and that's it. Now for additional tips, add at least 3 to 5 trending tags in your shorts title and descriptions for better reach, and use hashtag shorts in every video to improve visibility, and use tools like Vidic. They can also suggest high ranking tags for your videos. And now you know how to see and use YouTube Shorts tags to boost your views. If you like this video and find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.